I just could not believe that there was somebody out there who claimed to be a fitness influencer that was putting out this information that was wrong, that was misleading. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole and this channel is all about health, wellness, and designing your dream life. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to make a healthy, balanced meal using the plate method. I saw a video recently. It was somebody that I had been following on Instagram who claimed to be a fitness influencer. And they had posted on their stories them making dinner, and at the end it said healthy, balanced meal. And I was actually so shook by this. Their healthy, balanced meal was white pasta with Alfredo sauce and ground beef. Now, if you've seen my video on sustainable health, you'll know that my philosophy on health is that anything goes. You can eat whatever you want as long as you are balanced in what you're eating. As long as you're getting enough fruits and vegetables and nuts and seeds and legumes, you can eat whatever you want. So, although I don't think that this meal was necessarily bad and that she can't be eating it, what I really didn't like was the fact that she was claiming it was a healthy, balanced meal. And her thought process, and what she said in her stories, was that it had fats, carbs, and protein. So that ticked all the boxes and it was healthy and balanced. But in my opinion, there's no fruits or vegetables, there was no whole grains, it was mostly just saturated fat and flour. So while that can be a delicious meal, and I've definitely had meals just like that before, but I'm not under the false pretense that that is a healthy meal. You can make something like that healthy by having whole wheat pasta instead of white pasta, or some other kind of grain-based pasta, adding a bunch of vegetables to it, and then incorporating some more healthy fats like nuts or seeds or avocado. The other thing that prompted me to make this video is that I've seen people tag their meals as #healthy, and you look at it and it's really not a healthy, balanced meal. So like I said, anything goes in your diet, but I want people to understand when they are and are not eating a healthy, balanced meal. So I'm going to talk today about the plate method, which will help you balance your meals appropriately. So basically, half of your plate should be fruits, vegetables, and leafy greens. Then, a quarter of your plate should be protein. Now, it doesn't really matter where you get your protein from, whether that's an animal or a plant-based source. If it's animal, try and get the healthier versions, which are grain-fed and pasture-raised. No matter what protein you're getting, you want to be aiming for the best quality that you can get. That goes for plant-based sources as well. You can have replacement meats, but if you can't understand what's on the label, then it's not very healthy for you either. So now we've got half of our plate as fruits, vegetables, and leafy greens, and then a quarter of our plate is going to be protein. The last quarter of our plate is going to be our grains. So you want something like brown rice or quinoa or a whole wheat wrap. And then to top off our plate, we want to use some healthy fats. So that might be avocado or nuts or seeds, or some type of oil. And there you have it, that's the plate method. That's how you want to try and balance your meals. Essentially, what you want to do is try and avoid anything that's been overly processed. If it comes in a package, a box, or a bag, and you don't know what the ingredients are, I would avoid it. If it has a lot of sugar in it, which a lot of processed foods do, avoid it. And even something like flour. Flour has been stripped of all of its nutrients. It's highly processed and not very good for us. And it's those things that are going to make us store fat. Those type of foods don't contain any fiber, which means that our body processes it very quickly, faster than we can burn it off, and then we store it as fat. Versus foods that are found in nature, which contain fiber, which means that they're slower digesting. If you haven't seen my video on how to live a healthy and sustainable life, I would definitely check that one out. I dive a little bit deeper into this idea. I know that sometimes the line between what's healthy and what's not becomes a little bit blurred. And any food really fits into our diet as long as we are being balanced and eating a wide variety of things, while also avoiding things that are overly processed. I'd love to hear from you guys. Leave me a comment in the section down below. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more content just like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I upload new videos every single Sunday. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!